Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. In this tutorial we will show you how to deal with Sysprep was not able to validate your Windows installation error. So let's go. When attempting to generalize a Windows image using the Sysprep command, an error may occur. Sysprep was not able to validate your Windows installation. The Sysprep utility writes detailed logs to setupact.log. We will configure real-time console output of setupact.log contents with PowerShell. To do this, copy the get content command from the video description below, then paste it into a separate PowerShell window and hit enter. Now we need to find the latest errors in setupact.log. In my case, the final error indicated that Sysprep detected a Microsoft Store app installed for a specific user, but not provisioned for all users. Sysprep cannot complete image validation due to this application, so this app should be removed from the system before Sysprep can run. Now copy the full name of the application from the log in the PowerShell console in this example, Notepad++. The next step is to remove this app from all user profiles. Then, remove it from the list of provisioned Microsoft Store apps. To do this, find two PowerShell commands that I have prepared for you in the description for the video. After replacing the app name, execute the commands in the elevated PowerShell console. After removing the problematic application, run Sysprep again. I again ran into an error while validating the Windows installation. So now, let's switch back to the PowerShell console with the setupact.log. It now refers to a different application, Microsoft Winget. Copy the name of this app and run the uninstall commands for it as well. After that, run Sysprep again. If the error persists, remove the next Microsoft Store app indicated in the setupact.log. Repeat the steps for each package mentioned in the log until Sysprep runs successfully. Now, thanks for watching. Please, like the video and subscribe to our channel for new tips and tutorials. Good luck, everyone!